Ever spent hours designing the perfect Facebook ad, hit publish, and then nothing? No likes, no comments, no engagement at all? If that's happening to you, the problem usually isn't the design. It's who you're showing it to. Most advertisers assume their targeting is spot on. But the truth is, a lot of ads are either too narrow, too broad, or completely misaligned with the people they're meant for. And when your targeting is off, even the best ads fall flat. Here's where it gets interesting. Targeting isn't just about what you do inside the ad set. A lot of people don't realize that your creative, your visuals, your tone, the message you choose, all of that also tells Meta who the ad is meant for. If those signals don't match the audience you picked, engagement immediately drops. Imagine showing a camping ad to people who mostly like indoor lifestyle content. They'll scroll right past it, and Meta will think your ad isn't worth pushing. Your cost goes up, your reach goes down. And here's the part most advertisers misunderstand. Meta's algorithm today is heavily driven by machine learning. It performs best when it has room to find the right people on its own. If you lock it down with too many interest filters or hyper-specific demographics, you stop the algorithm from doing its job. That's why experienced advertisers keep saying, go broad, but smart. Broad doesn't mean aimlessly targeting everyone. It means giving Meta a wide enough pool of people, then letting your creative guide the algorithm toward who should actually see your ad. A hiking boot ad, a skincare ad, a gaming ad. Meta watches who clicks, who pauses, who interacts. Your content helps the system naturally filter the right people. So if your ads aren't getting likes, the problem usually isn't the ad itself. It's the targeting. Stop choking the algorithm with too many restrictions. Widen your pool, and let the creative do its job. The better the signals you send, the better the people Meta will find for you. That's it. These are the targeting mistakes that ruin good Facebook ads. If this helped, tap like and share it with someone running ads. And let us know in the comments what targeting setup has worked for you.